Hello, back again. Sorry about the wind, it's a bit windy today. We have a diesel engine, hard to start when it's cold, and I suspect the glow plugs. So we've got a glow plug, shivers, you probably can't see that, but we have one there, one missing a nut, and one there and one there. Right, I shall show you how to use a multimeter and see how good these glow plugs are. Right, I'll get this this rail off and then we'll go along and I'll show you how to test. Back in a second. Right, we've got some here. I'll show you what a good reading's meant to be. I'll put that there. Either lead on a good earth and we'll touch somewhere else and we'll get a beep. And if we put that onto the top, 2.2, I think it's meant to be about 1.3. What have we got there? 1.3, yeah, 1.4, 1.3. So that one there is good. Now if we come over here, that one that was missing the nut, that's actually loose, it's not even screwed in. So there's problem number one. And I'll just set up my tripod somewhere. Hopefully you can see. Not enough room in the engine bays. Let's have a quick look, see if you can actually physically see that. There, probably can't see much. Put that on earth somewhere, and the first one, if you hear that beep, that's a dead short, so that one's stuffed. That one there will get no reading whatsoever. Oh, next one, 0, and the next one, 0. So as I expected, these glow plugs are stuffed. So let's change them out. Right, I've only got one out of the other head on the ground there, that one there, and I'll go through these, pull them completely out, and we'll throw the good ones in. I'll tell him that he needs some more, but that's the problem. As I suspected, it's not glowing, and he's probably losing compression on that one because it's loose. Oh, the nut's down there as well. Huh. Right, back once I've sorted out some glow plugs. Righty-ho, I'm back again. This is what a good functional glow plug should look like. Right, let's have a look at ones that come out. Look at that. Is it better in the shade there? No, over here in the sunshine. All burnt out the tip. Throw away. That one there, that's a throwaway. So it's 2 down. That's even worse. That's a throwaway. Habit number 4. Ooh. Yeah, so it's clear. That's a stuff one. And that's what the good one's meant to look like. Nice rounded tip. Just on a focus. It's a nice rounded tip. It's got a little bit of a bevel. It's all clean. And yeah, definitely no bevel on that one. So we need 4 new glow plugs. Right, that shall conclude the whole diagnosis on that one, and I won't bore you with putting them all back in, but glow plugs, brand new ones, will actually definitely fix that job. Cheers. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know everyone says it, but hey, it helps me out, and it also helps you get a notification when I upload another one. Cheers. Hello, back again. You can see got some brand new glow plugs, $51 each. This New Zealand currency, so in American USD that'd be about $35-ish each, so that's not too bad. I haven't connected up the glow plug wire just yet. We're installing an alarm, so one job turns into two, and as you can see, big bunch of mess. Get my permanent power and my accessory up there. I'll solder all of those on shortly. And then way up there, my central locking. I've run a wire to the switch, and I've already tested it. It does all go. It is a cheap unit, but it will do everything that this guy wants it to do. So yeah, it's just a matter of soldering and hiding the unit up under the dash, so it's all nice and tidy, so he's got wires floating around his bloody pedals, which I've seen a lot of. Always solder, never just twist and wrap tape around them, because you end up having problems down the track. Always solder. There's my roll of solder there, and I'll get my soldering on shortly. So there you go. I'll bring you back once I've done all the alarm and I've tied up the wiring.